This is an inverted push-up. It's almost like a downward dog meets a push-up. We're going to come into a downward dog position, and then my weight is in my toes. Oh, I'm not a videographer. Okay, try that again. My weight is in my toes, so I'm up on my tippy toes, and then you can do this a couple different ways. You can keep the fingers forward, especially if you have wrist issues, it'll be more comfortable, and then try to get the crown of the head down toward the ground, and then back up, and then repeat that. Or you can do this fingers facing each other, flare the elbows out. That's going to isolate the triceps a little differently, but you can play with the hand position, whatever feels more comfortable. And then as you do this, make sure you keep the hips up. So again, in this regard, it's very different. It's opposite than the push-up, because with the push-up, you want your hips down. So just make sure you're in the good downward dog position, except you're up on the toes, heels are not down. One more time, head toward the ground, up and down. A modification for that is using an elevated surface, like a chair or the couch, and doing the same thing. Just make sure if you choose to use a chair, it's pushed up against the wall so it doesn't slide out from under you. And then same thing, you're up on the toes, kind of a pseudo downward dog position, and then crown of the head comes down, and then back up, crown of the head comes down, and then back up.